Okay, so here I have my ramp. It's ready to go. All I need to do is add my ramp arrows. So I'm going to come up here to the layer properties and I'm going to make a new layer called ramp arrows. And I'm putting these on a new layer so that I can control how thick they are in the page. I don't need a true colour, I'm just going to use an index colour. It really doesn't matter what I use because I'm going to control the line weight through the line weight box. Up here I'm going to set it to probably 0.05 is fine. And then I can make that layer current and get rid of the layer properties. So because all of my segments are perpendicular, what I can do to do my line segments is I can either just type in PL, polyline, or I can come up here and use the polyline on the ribbon command line. So endpoint to midpoint I've got set on my snaps, and I would just do that all the way around. So enter, endpoint, midpoint, endpoint. I've set my snaps through this button, so if you come down here to the arrow next to the snaps, you'll get the settings. I have turned off a couple of things in the object snap settings. I have turned off dynamic input, so I've unclicked enable dimensions and I've unclicked enable pointer. I just prefer it that way. But in my object snaps, I've got my extension, intersection, center, midpoint, and endpoint set. One other thing that you'll notice about this ramp is that I have extended small turns to be a full landing. And I've done that. I just can show you the process over here. So you can imagine this one, if I removed all of these lines here. I can't have a landing like that because it's not a minimum of 1.2 wide. So I just need to extend it, which means getting rid of these internal perpendicular lines and trimming up appropriately. So I can just type in TR for trim, and I can go enter for everything, and then it'll let me trim anything against anything. I have an option here. I could use this line or I could use this in pointy line, but that will do for now.